Here's some Julia Child trivia. Subscribe. In which year was Julia Child born? Is it A, 1915, B, 1908, C, 1920, or D, 1912? The correct answer is D, 1912. Which country did Julia Child help popularize cuisine from? Is it A, Mexico, B, Japan, C, Italy, or D, France? The correct answer is D, France. What was Julia Child's original profession? Is it A, chef, B, journalist, C, advertising copywriter, or D, teacher? The correct answer is C, advertising copywriter. When did Julia Child first appear on television? Is it A, 1970, B, 1981, C, 1955, or D, 1963? The correct answer is D, 1963. What type of cuisine did Julia Child primarily focus on? Is it A, Japanese cuisine, B, Mexican cuisine, C, Italian cuisine, or D, French cuisine? The correct answer is D, French cuisine. Which prestigious award did Julia Child receive in 2000? Is it A, Nobel Prize, B, Pulitzer Prize, C, Presidential Medal of Freedom, or D, Tony Award? The correct answer is C, Presidential Medal of Freedom. What was the title of Julia Child's autobiography? Is it A, My Life in France, B, Cooking with Julia, C, Mastering Cuisine, or D, A Chef's Journey? The correct answer is A, My Life in France. What did Julia Child do during World War II? Is it A, wrote a cookbook, B, became a nurse, C, worked for the OSS, or D, cooked for soldiers? The correct answer is C, worked for the OSS. Which food-related television network honored Julia Child? Is it A, Food Network, B, Bravo, C, Travel Channel, or D, HGTV? The correct answer is A, Food Network. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.